Are you tired of feeling like a full-time designer for your own notes instead of getting things done? The Notion's perfect system has become a digital liability for our productivity. Here's why I convert my project management from Notion back to a minimalist OneNote. Okay, right now I'm in my Notion. Just want to show you how the Notion works. Now, I'm not going to teach you how to use Notion, but I just want to show you how complicated, especially for beginners. So over here, let me just open a new page. Okay, so this is a new page, and as you can see, it's totally blank, right? And if you are a newbie, if you do not learn how to use Notion, and then you just want to use it as you learn. That's like when I first do it, it took me like almost like 3 days to learn the basic, right? So you got new page right over here. Then I just put okay a demo page. Of course, you can make it very nice, like add a cover, okay, add icons, yeah. So any icons that you like, okay. So let's take this. It's a blank page. And then you still need to add, right? If you want to use this for your project management, so usually what I do, I mean, you can put in notes as you type, right? Okay. But if you really want to use it, the most powerful features of the Notion is actually the database. Okay. Now, today it has actually a lot like AI meeting form, database, and a lot of templates. Let me just show you the templates. Now, these are the templates. Okay, if you do not know how to do it, yeah, if you really want to use this Notion, you can still use it by selecting from all these templates. Now, by the way, this is the marketplace. The template is not free. Yeah. So let's say you want to use this all the right stuff. You want to do like writing for books and so on. This will cost you 129 US dollars. Okay. Of course, there are some cheaper one and so on. So you can take a look at that marketplace, right? Let me go back to the demo page over here. Now, if you don't want, then you can build your own, right? So you can take plus and then you can build like heading and all this thing. Now, if you are a designer for like website designer, these are all the blocks. Is easy for you, right? If you're just like a non-tech beginners, this you may need to take some time to really learn all this stuff. Okay, so let me show you one, right? Which is the database. So under database here, there's a lot, right? You can have a look at that. These are the templates. Now, inside the database here, these are only the data, what I call the so-called database template. It's not the full page template like just now I show you in the marketplace. Let's say, for example, these are for project. I can select these projects and you can take a look at this is how it looks like. Okay, very simple projects, a Kanban board. Okay, then I just click here and done. So here I will have my projects. Yeah. So apply my projects in it. Okay. So I can just change this project demo. Okay. Now this is like the so-called Kanban board. Yeah. Now, if you've seen this, my previous video, I show you how to use it on the planner, okay, the Kanban board or Microsoft Loop. These are similar, right? Now, and if you want to go create this new project, let's say another task one here, and you can actually go in here and fill in all this, right? Now, this is pre-built for you, okay, using the template. If you start from blank, yeah, you go in here and then you see this all this to set it up. Yeah. So it may be a little bit complex. Okay. So to do all that, but there is a very, very powerful tools. Okay. Now, for me, if I for the project manager or just simply we would just want to record the data for project management. So right now I move most of our project okay from the Notion back to Microsoft OneNote. So I just want to show you here common project that I do are my video content planning, right? So if you look at all this, let me just go a new page. Let me just simply take a page. You can see here, and they set up all this. Now these are all customizable. Okay, status and all these things, right? Even here, the video creation template, you need to set it up. Okay, if not, it will just have empty. Let me click here, it will come out with the template. This is simple things, right? Like my video optimized for what keyword, introduction, body, close, and notes. Okay, so this is how I want to create my video, right? Now I've moved back to OneNote. Let me show you my OneNote. Okay, so this is OneNote, right? Like show you an example of that. Same thing. Do you see that? Like keyword, intro, body, notes. Now, this is simply done by using the table. Okay, insert table. I have like 5 tables right over here. Okay, oops, insert replace wrongly. So now, you just want to insert here. You can insert a table right over here. Yeah, and then just type keywords and so on, and then you can basically start typing whatever. Okay, so it's very simple. Now, of course, right over here, you want to control. Now, of course, you can even have as wide as possible, but because I fixed the width so that I can do it on my mobile. Yeah. So you can see this is the mobile look. Yeah. So in the mobile look, okay, it will look something like this. Let me go and I already took a screenshot and let me show it to you. Okay, this is the mobile look. And in fact, this is for another of my project template. All right. Let me show it to you here. Okay. It's the same thing right over here. But in my mobile, it looks something like this. So that I can type it in, or even if you want to write, you can write it in your OneNote. So it's simple. Okay. So this is the project. Yeah, for now you can create as many project template as you want. Yeah. And all you need is just fill it in right over here. The beauty of using this so-called the OneNote is very easy. You can use writing if you want. If you have a tablet, you can use writing. Yeah. Now, even if you want to do like transcribe, okay, you can dictate and then you can transcribe right over here. Okay. So let's say here the problem statement, I can dictate. Okay. The problem statement is blah, blah, blah. All right. So you can see that. So you can basically use the uh, dictation features and put it right over here. Now you can use this or you can just do a recording. Then later you can convert that. Yeah. You can transcribe that. You can record as a voice during the meeting. Okay. Using your mobile. Yeah. Because most of the time, when I take note, we're using the mobile, right? So it will be so much easier. Now, if you're interested to use this template, just go to my website resources page. I'll leave a link right below. Okay. In the description, you can download this for free. Yeah. Now, you can even do just a blank page, right? And then you can scribble and write anything, no format. And today you can use Copilot to help you summarize it. Yeah. So watch my previous video on how to use Copilot AI together inside OneNote to help you organize your notes, right? So if you're meeting, you don't have time to go and format it. You just type as is and then use the AI to help you summarize into a nicely structured bulleted form. Okay. Now, if you have any question regarding on the productivity tools or interested in any other productivity tools, just leave a comment right below. I'll do a video to show you how to optimize it. Now, if you like this type of video, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you'll be notified. And this is Andrew. I'll see you real soon in my next video.